hearing that employers want experience, but I don't know how to get that, especially since I can't do a paid internship as an international student.
I don't really know what it takes to succeed in my industry. If only I could get real practical advice that actually works.
At SIM, we help you discover your strengths and interests through a variety of services and programs through the Career Connect office. Students at SIM has exclusive access to the Career Sense app, free of charge for all our local and international students.
We offer complimentary support on campus to help our students tailor their CV to the job role they are looking for.
SIM creates opportunities for our students to gain practical, hands-on experience through programs like Project Protégé with the Career Connect office. It's a program where our students can take on real-world projects designed by real companies.
Project Protégé, SIM flagship mentorship program, gives students the chance to learn from our alumni for over 4 months across fields to get real-world exposure.
We offer career development workshops to help our students sharpen their professional knowledge and combine them with employable soft skills. Our students then get to showcase these abilities to employers via our career fairs, which connects them directly to industry networks.
When we hire, we seek graduates who not only possess a solid technical foundation, but also embody adaptability, teamwork, and strong communication skills.
When hiring, we look beyond the qualifications. Graduates with real-world exposure arrive confident, adaptable, and ready to contribute from day one.
A tailored CV shows us you understand the role and have taken the time to match your skills and experiences to it.
So we look for potential hires that can turn ideas into results, collaborate seamlessly with one another, and also most importantly, having practical and hands-on experience that can contribute meaningfully to the projects.
We believe in nurturing people who embrace continuous learning, growth, and adaptability.
At SIM, we understand that your education goes beyond just academics. Career readiness and employable skills are what gives our students the confidence to start their career journey when they walk through our door.